Narrowing down your belongings is always a challenge in the moving process. We covered donations, giveaways, and packing, but what about cash for your trash? One man's trash is another man's treasure, as the saying goes. So with that comes the thought of a successful garage sale. Welcome to Table Talks. I'm Carla Knight with Coldwell Banker Denver West. Table Talks is where I answer your questions about real estate with marketing tips or ideas surrounding the subject. If you have questions, reach out to me at Facebook or Instagram at Selling Dwelling CO or LinkedIn and my website, Carla Knight Homes. And I will respond to you directly or make a video on the subject or both. Planning ahead is key in garage sales, so I consider this a pre-listing activity. Time and energy is all it takes to make a little cash for your trash. Your first steps is to contact your local HOA or city government to ensure about the rules surrounding garage sales or costs that may be associated with it. Making sure you don't spend your proceeds on fines on the end of it, and the best way to go up front. You want to keep your proceeds. Because a group effort can be more fun, be neighborly. Ask around your block to see if they are willing to join in. Having a neighborhood event can lure more shoppers and offset any costs. Think about offering grilled hot dogs and a soda while you're open for business. That'll help you and your customers from being hangry while you're negotiating. To advertise your sale, use different media. A local newspaper you can add to a calendar events for free. You can create an event on Facebook and Nextdoor to let everyone know the details of the event and ideas on what you'll be selling and what's available to purchase. On top of those options, there are always websites dedicated to garage sale events. Maybe look into placing an ad on one of them. On the day of the yard sale, please use the arrow signs for the garage sale and think about upscaling it with balloons to attract attention. Schedule the sale with enough time to organize your items. Display your goods by category, together by price and type. Hanging clothes would be best, or place them in boxes with like items together. Price them separately or give a one price for the whole box for the purchase. You get the idea. Be sure to clearly mark the price with all your goods with removable stickers. Remember to price your goods in a way that will be attractive to the buyer. The whole idea is to have someone remove the items, not make up any value you think you may be losing by giving it up. Always have a freebie box. Place anything you just want gone in the freebie box and don't care when it disappears. Remember, if it's broken or if it doesn't work, it should be in the trash already. Don't try to resell those items. Keep in mind that having newspapers to wrap breakables and plastic bags on hand to help shoppers carry their purchases to their car. Make sure you have a cash box with plenty of change and a calculator on hand. Have one person man your register at a time, and it would be great to have a list of items with the price of each item and what was purchased. Message me if you would like a garage sale inventory list to start the process. Those are free. Just reach out. There will be negotiations with buyers sometimes, and that's okay. Always remember you want to dispose of the items, not replace the funds you spent. Not long ago, after living in the same house for 17 years, I did a successive week yard sale with the total proceeds about $900 over a 6-week time period. Everything I sold was not needed by my family. It was great to pass those things to others who could use them at a reduced rate. Have a great week and reach out with your real estate questions. This is Carla Knight, Coldwell Banker Denver West.